Guys, well, I can't find it nowhere, guys. That's the one I wanted. Just gonna wait till it goes on on discount after Halloween, and I'll just use it for next year. But I got a few right here that we're gonna review. All right, let's go check out. What is up, guys? It's your boy Tony, and as you can see right here, guys, I have the Halloween inflatables, and I did go a little bit crazy. I went and bought some more, and I got two more coming that I ordered online. I couldn't find the 12 feet ones, guys, so I had to order those online. But all these are like the 7 feet. This one, let's see, I'm not sure. This is about 4 feet. This one, about 4 feet too, yeah. Now this is the only one that I bought from Home Depot, and all these came from Walmart. All right. So the reason I bought these inflatables is to add it to my bounce house business, because a lot of customers have been asking me, do I have anything special for Halloween, like banners, stuff like that? And I just told them I don't have anything at this moment. So it really got me thinking, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna add some inflatables. All right. So this is gonna boost my bookings. I already have one customer that I already booked, but they still waiting on me for the pictures. So we will take some pictures today. We're gonna unbox them, review them, and we're gonna advertise the bounce houses with the Halloween inflatables. That way we can get more work, more bookings, and more fun. The kids are gonna have more fun with this. All right. So let's make Halloween fun with these bounce houses, and y'all stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, guys, so I got all my Halloween inflatables right here. So you can see it is going to get a little bit dark real quick, so I might not have time to air up the bouncers. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and just unbox this, have them set up, and tomorrow we're gonna air out the bouncer and put it right here so we can advertise the bouncers for the Halloween rentals. But yeah, I might do a little Halloween party for my family, for the kids, so they can go ahead and get a little head start, because this bouncer is gonna get rented out on Halloween, so they might as well just get a little head start. But which one should I start with first? I think I want to start with one of these first. We're gonna go ahead and unbox the Goosebumps Halloween Ghost, or what is it? This is the what? The Slimer, right? Yeah, the Slimer. We're gonna start with the Slimer first, unbox him, and then we're gonna move our way up to these other ones. All right, so let's do it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this one first. So let's see what we got inside right here, guys. So we have the plug. All right, should be easy. We got the instructions. We probably don't need that. And we got stakes. And we have the inflatable. That's about it. Very simple. All right. Let's take them out. I feel like it feels like it has a sandbag or something in here. There's something inside here. Oh, check this out. Let me see. Check this out, guys. So I believe it's some sandbags. Has a little bit of weight in here, so it'll stay hold, so it won't fly away. Plus, it got the stakes right here. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and air this up. We need an extension cord. Let me go in the garage and plug this extension cord so we can get this one started. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like. It's already staked down. And it does have small weights to keep it all, on the ground. I might have to come back tomorrow and air up the rest of them, because it's already dark outside. So I'm just gonna leave two of them over here already plugged in. But the next one I'm thinking about unboxing is gonna be the the 3 witches. All right, this one right here is the Ghostbusters slime. I think that's what it's called. My sister already started doing some decoration in her house. She got the spider webs and the keep out tape. And when she came out, she said, yeah, leave this one right here. It's gonna look good on her house. So yeah, let me turn off the light. Maybe y'all can see how it looks like with the, these things have their own light, their own LED light. As you can see. Alright guys, so now the next one is gonna be this one. This is gonna be the witches. Let's go ahead and unbox it. It's gonna be the same thing, same process. See what we got here. We got the plug. We got the stakes and the ropes. Instructions, you don't need that, guys. Pretty simple and easy. This one is gonna be real cool because it's 3 witches in one. Alright. Also got it for a good price. Alright. And the other one's already aired up over there. So let's get these witches out.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
There you go. And tomorrow, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna air up the rest of them tomorrow. We already got this one aired up. This one is gonna be pretty cool. Alright. So let me go ahead and plug this one up. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to unroll this one. This one looks nice. Alright. Oh, this one also has weights. I can feel it. There go the wire right here. And there go the fan. They come with a small fan. I wonder how the big ones, the 12 feet ones that are older, I wonder if they also come with a small fan like this. I'm not sure. But that'll be on another video. I still haven't received those 12 feet ones yet. I made an order. I got 2 of those coming. So here it goes. The plug just plugs into this wire right here. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and plug it up next to this slime.
Oh, that's nice.
You see? What's up? All right, hold the light. There you go. Which one you like?
The last one to say first.
All right, we might be able to have a chance to do one more, but let me stake this one up, guys, so y'all can see how it looks like next to this one. All right, guys, so I only set up 2 of them, and I'll be coming back tomorrow to set up the rest. I got the Halloween Goosebumps slime. He's pretty mean. Then we have the witch contest. This one is gonna be pretty cool, so the kids can take pictures with this one. So yeah, I'll be coming back tomorrow to have all of them set up with the bouncer, so I can start advertising my my bounce house Halloween prices. Let me see if I can shine the light. So let's see. There you go. Yeah, he's mean. They're very simple to set up, guys. They're not hard. They all come with small weights. so they'll stay on the floor. Come with the stakes too. I do have two 12-feet ones that I ordered, and those will be here on the 18th. So I'll do another review on those. Just the ones that I'll be doing tomorrow are like the 7 feet. This one right here is like 4 feet. This one are also 4 feet. Then I have the 7 feet, and then the 12 feet are gonna be a little bit taller. All right. Well, that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.